News and caught us off guard right away here. It's a huge news coming in from the official presidential assistant press and mobilization, that is deputy spokesperson Farouk Chironda, Farouk Chironda has said that the president has finally released the people who have been appointed as the new leaders of Bank of Uganda. In a statement, Farouk said, "I wish to confirm that His Excellency the President Augustus Museveni, as the appointing authority, has named Mr. Michael Atingi-Ego, former Deputy Governor, Bank of Uganda, as the new governor, and Professor Augustus Nuwagaba as the Deputy Governor. Congratulations to the appointees." So that is it. The new governor of Bank of Uganda is finally appointed, and by the name Atingi-Ego. So this is a huge news. So you might be wondering, who is Atingi-Ego? Atingi-Ego. His full name is Michael Atingi-Ego. He is a Ugandan economist who was appointed governor of the Bank of Uganda on the 10th of February 2025. At the time of his appointment, he served as the Deputy Governor, Bank of Uganda, and previously Executive Director of the Microfinance and Financial Management Institute of Eastern and Southern Africa, that is MEFMI, based in Harare in Zimbabwe. The background of his education, Atingi-Ego was born in Uganda. He attended local primary and secondary school. He holds a bachelor's degree in economics from Makerere University, which is Uganda's oldest and largest public university. His degree of Master of Arts in Economics was awarded by Cardiff Business School in the United Kingdom. His Doctor of Philosophy degree, also in economics, was obtained from the University of Liverpool. His career, he started out at the Bank of Uganda. He rose through the ranks to become the Executive Director of Research. In 2008, he took up an assignment with the International Monetary Fund, as IMF, as Deputy Director of the African Department, that is AFR, based in Washington, D.C. In September 2018, he was appointed as Executive Director at MEFMI. After vetting by the Ugandan Parliament, he replaced Louis Kasekende, whose 10-year term at the Central Bank ended in January 2020. Dr. Atingi-Ego assumed office as Deputy Governor of Bank of Uganda in August 2020. So the things that you could consider about Atingi-Ego is credited with bringing a wealth of regional and international experience to his new office as Deputy Governor of the Bank of Uganda. While at the International Monetary Fund, he contributed to IMF work on increasing the effectiveness of capacity development and in modernizing monetary policy frameworks in developing countries, in economically known as low developed countries, or the LDCs, but that language has been termed as biased. Now they use developing countries as the polite language of calling the low developed countries, or the LDCs. In May 2022, Atingi-Ego was recognized by African Banker magazine as the Central Bank Governor of the Year in recognition of his efforts to tame inflation and maintain foreign exchange stability in the country, that is Uganda. So that is it. Your new Bank of Uganda governor has been appointed officially, and it is Atingi-Ego. Thank you so much.